Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English, with the assistance of Makul Artificial Intelligence. Let's start with our first news. A new training center on diplomatic protocol has been opened at the Institute of International Relations of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan. The opening ceremony of the new training center, named Diplomatic Protocol, took place at the Institute of International Relations of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan. The event was attended by officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, members of the country's diplomatic corps, as well as heads of diplomatic missions and international organizations accredited in Turkmenistan. Our Atavatan Media representative also attended this ceremony. This specialized training center was established by the decree of the President of Turkmenistan, signed on December 11, 2023. Its main objectives include facilitating large-scale reforms in education, training qualified diplomatic personnel according to international standards, capable of representing Turkmenistan's interests in the global arena of international relations. Our next news. A package of documents with specialized UN agencies signed at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is significantly expanding its traditional cooperation with the United Nations and its structural divisions, especially on current bilateral and multilateral cooperation issues. Mutual interest in joint projects aligns with the long-standing cooperation between Turkmenistan and the UN, serving as an effective catalyst for achieving set goals and objectives for the country's development. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan hosted a signing ceremony for documents between Turkmenistan's ministries, departments, public organizations, and the representative offices of UN agencies in Turkmenistan, UNDP, UNFPA, and UNICEF. 22 documents were signed covering cooperation in economics, health, education, media, and other significant areas. Dear audience, our last news. The ambassador of Mexico presented copies of his credentials to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan. Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Mihri Biashimova, received copies of credentials from the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the United Mexican States to Turkmenistan, José Luis Martínez Hernández. During the meeting, Deputy Minister Biashimova congratulated the ambassador on his appointment and wished him success in his diplomatic endeavors. Both parties expressed interest in intensifying cooperation in political and diplomatic spheres through establishing contacts between their respective foreign ministries and holding political consultations. They also discussed cooperation within various international platforms. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.